Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the environment and model class line up. Load the same model architecture and code first, then point to the pth weights file. Once done, set device equals torch. Device, CUDA if available else CPU, and move model to device. Make sure to freeze or set eval, depending on use. Finally, verify shapes by passing a dummy tensor. This confirms the checkpoint matches the architecture and avoids silent shape mismatches later. Next, load the checkpoint and adapt it to your model. First, load the state dict with map location so CUDA mismatches won't crash. If names differ, inspect keys and optionally rename or filter unexpected keys. When using strict equals false, PyTorch will ignore missing weights. If you plan to resume training, also load optimizer state and scheduler. Once loaded, call model. Eval, for inference, or leave train for continued training. Double-check parameter counts to confirm a successful load. Finally, run inference with the loaded model and expected preprocessing. Feed batches of inputs with correct dtype and normalized ranges, then apply post-processing like softmax or decoding steps. Measure latency and memory. Move to batch size 1 if you hit OOM. If something goes wrong, immediately compare state dict keys, tensor dtypes, and device mappings, resaving the checkpoint from the original training environment with Torch. Save, model. State dict, often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.